So I was scrolling on social media and I saw this guy singing into a fan and then showing Audiohertz's FAN plugin. And I was like, duh, yes, that's the sound I want. Sometimes you just want a simple plugin to do the one thing. In my case, I wanted to create that cool rhythmic gating, ducking sound that I hear in sick melodic tech house songs without having to do a bunch of fancy footwork and sound designing. However, bonus, when you actually open this plugin, it has more effects baked in, it has a lot of presets, so we'll take a listen to those and I'll give you what I believe is the golden way to set this plugin. I am all about saving time when producing because it helps me stay in that creative flow state as opposed to feeling interrupted so I can program something intricate in a very technical way. Yes, we still do stuff like that and it's usually super rewarding when we finish it. But I'm just such an advocate for these plugins that make life easy. They just give us the special effect we're going for with the click of a button. FAN by Audiohertz is one of those secret weapons. If we've just met, I'm Kimera, producer, songwriter, vocalist, Pro Tools expert. You can learn more about me and grab my free sample pack in the description below. Now let's jump in and see what FAN sounds like on my vocals. Okay, let's jump in. Here it is, FAN. This is what it looks like. The multi-modulator plugin, very nostalgic UI. Tap in below if you 100% also had this exact fan growing up, because I definitely did. Let's have a look at the buttons and all the things it does. So this button right here is the fan effect that you'll get as it's playing through. You'll see the fan spin faster or whatever. Love that. Depth will exaggerate the different parameters, so I'm just gonna turn it all the way up so we can really hear what each one does, like vibrato, rotary, tremolo, and chorus. And then the rate, that's gonna be the speed of the effect. The wave shape of the effect, I already know I pretty much like these two. These two start sounding more robotic. And then we have a saturation knob, and then we've got the manual and host buttons. If you're doing any automation, I believe you need the host button triggered. And if you want to access these buttons for some reason, you need host checked when it's manual. I can't make the rate like triplet or dotted for some reason. So I guess when we have host, we can change also the speed of the note as opposed to hertz. But check out what it sounds like with nothing on. Say it now! So let's just listen to what these buttons sound like individually, and then I will run through some of the presets. They have a pretty rad presets folder, and then I will show you my favorite golden setting, which, to be honest, I already know me. I am gonna set it this one way every time I ever use this plugin. I just want this one sound from it. So let me take it off bypass, and I'm gonna keep my depth to 100 just so you can really hear what it's doing, and you can always dial it back. So let's just listen to the fan effect itself. Say it now! Awesome, awesome. Let's just listen to what vibrato does. Say it now! Rotary. Say it now! Okay, tremolo. Say it now! Has a really nice like fade in. Chorus. Say it now! Awesome. And then you get to combine all of these with the fan sound. So let's just run through those one more time. Say it now! So it's fan and vibrato. Rotary without. Say it now! With. Say it now! Tremolo without. Say it now! With. Say it now! Cool. Chorus. Say it now! With. Say it now! Okay, sick. What if we want to hear it more of a dotted kind of sound? Say it now! Cool. Say it now! Very cool. Say it now! And that's the triplet. What if we want to change the wave to more of a sawtooth? Say it now! Say it now! Starts to get a little more toppy, poppy, poppy. Say it now! Say it now! Yeah, it's gonna be a little more rigid. Oh, let's try out the saturation knob too. Say it now! Say it now! Wow, that sounds really good. I guess Audiohertz are the masters of temperature control. Oh yeah, their bundle's called climate control. So they have saturation and air conditioning. Love it. I love a good theme. It's funny. I'm enjoying this. Gosh, yeah, you remember you had to pop these off in order to take it off and you could wipe the fan blades? Memories. Okay, next we can do some presets. Hey, while you're listening to this, do me a big favor and just hit the subscribe button. At the time of releasing this video, I have 2,000 subscribers and I'm really trying to get to 10K, so please help me get there. Say it now! Oh. Say it now! Okay. Say it now! Cute. Say it now! Say it now! Cool, I'm kind of good on chorus. I probably won't use it for this one. But here's the straight up fan effect. Say it now! I just love that so much. I bought this plugin just for that sound. How about the rotary presets? Say it now! Woo! Very cool. Say it now! Awesome. Say it now! Neat. Say it now! Say it now! Say it now! Say it now! Nice. Say it now! I think you could tell by the look on my face that we're kind of getting towards the sound that I like. Say it now! Say it now! Say it now! Alright, not mad at that. A little saturation on there. Say it now! Say it now! Okay, I mean, bless them for making us all these presets, but it's really, there's only so many buttons here, so we can pretty much do this on our own, let's be honest. So my favorite way to set this will just be depth at 100. I'm gonna factory default this again. Depth at 100, fan on, tremolo. I'm loving the tremolo sound. And then depending on the song, I may change it from an even note to a dotted or a triplet, but I am probably gonna turn this up kind of high. Well, let's see what the fastest one sounds like. Say it now! Too fast, Papa, too fast. Say it now! Say it now! All right, so that's probably my golden setting right here. It's literally just the fan, high depth tremolo, and I think I'm on a 30-second note. What do you think? Do you think you could use this on some of your production? I'm gonna show you a few more plugins I'm obsessed with for special effects. So click on this one now and I'll see you over there.